Friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix, something seems to have gone wrong with ChatGPT. So whether you're trying to write a conversation or send a conversation to ChatGPT and you're seeing waiting to send and you're also getting this message or even that your images are not being able to load in the application, you can easily go ahead and fix this issue. So let me show you what you need to do. All you have to do is to go ahead and click the three dots and just close the ChatGPT application right there. Go to settings on your phone and you want to go ahead and you want to look for apps on your phone. So scroll down, find apps, and in the list here, you want to basically look for ChatGPT, right? So I'm going to use my search on the upper left and type in chat and you'll find ChatGPT. You click on it. From here, you will see a few options, right? You will see force stop. You want to go ahead and do a force stop. Then click on OK. This is going to ensure that ChatGPT is completely closed, right? You also want to go ahead and in case you're using, for example, Wi-Fi, you can go ahead and disconnect from the Wi-Fi and just go ahead and just work with your mobile data and see if that's actually solve the problem. So the first thing what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to go ahead and force stop it, then close all of that, open ChatGPT. It's going to load normally. Then I can go ahead and go back into my chat. And once I go back into my chat, you will see that it tries to load. And here you can see that it loads my picture. And so the picture is loaded fine. And from here, you will realize that it's going to try to send the message for you. So I'm going to just wait for this to basically load the message. Here you can see it's attempting to connect as well. And if you're realizing that this is not sending, you can always go ahead and press and hold on your message and you can copy the message once more. You can paste it into ChatGPT and then try to hit send again. And you will see that it actually fixes issues. So here you can see it's now trying to send. And as I mentioned before, if you're still having issues sending your message, you can try to change the internet connection that you're using. And it could also be that the problem is not on your end, but on ChatGPT end. So here you can see right here that I'm still getting the message. So what do I do if I try all of these things and it's not fixing my problem? I can go ahead and I can open up my browser, for example, and I can just type in ChatGPT down, for example. And you will see right here, you will see some Reddit. You can try down detector to see, so you can check on down detector and you will see if there's some problem, right? So here you can see right now that down detector has a spike and it's telling me right now that there's some problem with ChatGPT. So it's not only me or you probably having this issue. So once you try all of these things, guys, you try force close the app, you try to change internet connection, you try to maybe even restart your phone and these things and you're still having the issue. Try, for example, down detector to see if there isn't a problem. Try on another phone to see if there's any problem. Try these basic things to see if you're having the same issue. Try as well to use it from your computer to see if it's work. So it could be the mobile app that is giving the problem, or it could be that also the web app as well is giving problem as well. So you need to check these things to see where the problem lies. But here we have identified a problem that it's a, let's say, global issue and not only from my device. And all we have to do is just wait for it to fix. And that's it.